Hi, everybody. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can check your Snapchat app login activity. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go into the Snapchat app. Then in the top left corner, click on our profile picture. Then in the top right corner, we click on the gear to go to settings. Here we scroll down a little bit. We find the two-factor authentication section, and we click on that. We need to make sure that two-factor authentication is enabled. This can be done via SMS or through a special two-factor authentication app, as it is done by me. Then we need to click on the last line for Get Devices. And here we'll see the information about the Snapchat app login. In my case, it's an iPhone 10. Then we will see the day and time when we logged into the app. If you're logged into the Snapchat app, not from the same device, then you have the list will be longer. If you want to delete any of your devices, pause. You will need to click on the cross icon next to the device, and that way you can get off the list. So that's how easy and simple it is to check your login activity on the Snapchat app. Hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments. See you soon.